The Truist Enjoy Cash secured card targets anyone who wants to establish or rebuild their credit, but also craves a little reward for their spending, not something you see every day with secured cards. Right off the bat, it's made for people with limited or bad credit. Responsible use gets reported to all three major credit bureaus, which is huge for building credit over time. What makes this card stand out is its cash back program. 3% back on gas and EV charging, 2% back on utilities and groceries up to a combined $1,000 each month, and 1% on everything else. That's a rare deal in the world of secured cards. If you have a qualifying Truist deposit account, you could boost your rewards even more with a 10% to 50% loyalty cash bonus when you cash out to that account. Unlike some competitors, there are no foreign transaction fees, a small detail, but a nice bonus if you ever travel or shop abroad. Your security deposit, starting at a minimum of $400, acts as your credit limit, so approval is pretty straightforward, and you can control spending. The lack of a hefty annual fee is a relief, though some sources mention a $19 fee, so it's smart to double-check with Truist before applying. On the flip side, the requirement for a security deposit means you need cash up front, and that money gets locked up while the card is open. The rewards on groceries and utilities are capped at $1,000 in combined spend per month, so big spenders might hit that ceiling fast. After that, you're back to 1% cash back. The APR is high at 27.49%, making it crucial to pay your statement in full every month or risk losing all your rewards to interest. Rewards also expire after 5 years, so don't stash them for too long. Overall, this card is great for someone who wants to build or rebuild credit and earn meaningful cash back on everyday needs. The added reward perks, especially at gas stations, and the potential loyalty bonus make it appealing for Truist customers. But it's not for those who carry a balance or want immediate cash flexibility, and the deposit and reward caps might be deal breakers for some. As with any card, the key is to use it responsibly to keep credit goals and costs in check.